Absolutely. What would you like to dive into today?
Hold on, AI. Boom! What's up, viewers and subscribers? You don't know, say it's a boy, Face Skull, and welcome to another week of the Top 10 Dancehall Countdown. This is where we play all of the top 10 trending songs for the week that has been trending in Jamaica. Yo, just want to say a big up to all who has been watching my videos. If you have not yet subscribed to the channel, please click the subscription button below the video. AI, what's up?
Hey there. Your intro sounds super energetic. How can I assist you with your top 10 dancehall countdown today?
You know, actually, I want you to tell me or give me an update on what is the top 10. What are some of the hit songs in Jamaica right now? Or give me a history on dancehall history. Let's go.
In July 2024, the top dancehall songs in Jamaica included Shinsia's Hit and Run featuring Masika, which was very popular. Other notable tracks included Big Breeze by Squash and 20matic by Masika. These songs were among the most played during that time. As for dancehall's history, it originated in Jamaica in the late 1970s as a genre of music that evolved from reggae. It's characterized by its upbeat rhythms, digital instrumentation, and often socially conscious or party-themed lyrics. Dancehall has grown to influence music globally, shaping various modern music styles.
So let me ask, what do you find most interesting about dancehall music?
Dancehall music is fascinating for several reasons. First, its energetic beats and rhythms create a unique and engaging atmosphere that can be both vibrant and reflective. Second, the genre often addresses social and political issues, providing a voice to the experiences and perspectives of the people. Lastly, dancehall has a rich cultural influence, shaping fashion, language, and global music trends.
Alright, so see the guys, we finally have AI working right now. It's not perfect, but it's actually improving. You see me? So right now, we should have the video up and have the video up. I'll get right into the top 10 dancehall countdown. Boom. Alright, so go back over YouTube. So we'll start from now over here. So bam. Alright, so hold on. So at the number 10 spot we have Jamal with ABC. We're gonna play it from out here. So as you know the thing go, we can't play the video them too long. As me I say so.
Yeah, but we okay. We full of bricks like BOJ.
BOJ building them there. Mad thing.
Couple investment don't I see okay. Yeah, me attitude stink, but when the Dior spray, girl I relocate, me go need more space. Brown in there foot, I say she feel more safe. She see the
that song bad, me like that song. You see me? So yeah, move along to the number 9 spot. The song I play too quick. I walk one man. Yo, that rhythm where Rvssian job. That rhythm a bad no people. Me hear Massacre upon it. Now we have Jamal, Najeeriii, you have Vybz, Kartel upon it, and I think we have Valinat upon it too. You see me? But this is Najeeriii featuring Rvssian Cloud 9. Let's go. But so we can't play this on them 2-3 long, you see me? So at the number 8 spot we have Skippa featuring Sparta, AB's HBC. Let's go.
Because them want me wanna be. The gang full of chop and nobody no wanna be.
The gun full of cap and your body a vanish. Your jelly a chuckle like an animal is spit. So me figure a so make like a vanity.
Guys, if this is your favorite song so far on the list, drop some ones in the comment. You see me? Or drop your name or your favorite artist in the comment section. So moving along to the number 8 spot, we have Teebone featuring Jamal, No Doubts. That song has been trending for a few weeks now, so You don't know a thing go. Let's go.
Caption close, me evil like pose. The tops and rows, the Cubans and road. Watch the stacks them go up, girl suck cock control. From the fans them show up, a Rvssian show.
Alright, so as a man know, that's at the number 7 spot. Wait. 10, 9, 8. Okay, so this is the number 8 spot. Yeah man, number 8. Number 7. So Teebone featuring Jamal No Dose. That's at the number 7 spot. So moving along to number 6 spot, we have Vybz Kartel. This is a part of the rhythm where Rvssian drop. So this one is called Vybz Kartel Rvssian Storybook. We play it from other song. Let's go. Yeah man, that one there for you ladies. Moving along to the number 5th spot. 5th spot we have Kartel. You see me? Devil Pan Land. First me hear that song.
Yeah, it's them. Yeah. I'm still don't know which one.
Realize you beer. When they call them Cybertruck are dropping a video them nowadays. Cybertruck around your place, people. Let's go. That's the one I electric car them where Elon Musk drop. You see me? Let's go.
Chose me. Talented boat with the killing of music. I'm still don't know.
Yeah guys, so that's Kartel Devil on Earth at the number 5th spot. At the number 4th spot now, we have Valinat with Passenger. I think Valinat drop one album too, you know. You see me? And I think this song is a part of the album. I'm not sure. But I think the dog drop an album. So this one is called Valinat Passenger Princess. Yeah? Passenger Princess at the number 4 spot. Let's go. We'll play from that song.
Girl, skin smooth. What's your tongue game? Push it and me shift it now.
The girl them wet up here now. Let's go. Alright, can't play the song them too long. So at the number 4th spot now we have Mavado. Boom, watch you did. Mavado, Big Guns. Let's go.
A big guns. Big guns. Not a fuck them don't know about the badness, them don't know about.
What them know about?
Guns. Big guns.
At the number. Oh there. Wait, this is my number 3 spot. Alright, cool. At the number 2nd spot we have Skippa. Traffic. Let's go.
Got money I seen, she never want me, no, she begging me for put me the king. She want to call up her friends, type of bitch you like a fuck a nigga pushing her beans. She like the money when I take to
Money on the road. Alright, at the number 1 spot now we have Skippa again. With 1 stack. Let's go.
I go soft for my dog, we make New York. She touch on my dog, the left and here in the streets in a gun. And the mag, make you a job piece and you do it for you. Yeah, we still a pop bill, my dog, we still a speed. Yeah, we still a chip, glock, me know you want me do, we still a drive.
Alright guys, so that's at the number 1 spot, is it me I say. So yo, as me I say, leave your comment in the comment section telling us what's your favorite song for this week. Which song I run the place for you? Who is your favorite artist for your top 10 dancer? Interview, you see me I say. I'll just watch a little piece of it.
One of my songs.
Like how they write a song.
Yeah.
You see me?
How did you make the Schools Challenge junior quiz at Michael?
God, them sister, man, have what it takes, you know? Yeah, man.
You're a bright boy.
Something like that.
And well, your mom.
We'll just react to a few.
I'm sorry, but you've hit the daily limit for advanced voice. You can switch to standard.
Shut up. Alright, so we'll just watch a few minutes of this interview. Probably about 5 minutes or so. Let's see how it goes.
Wanted more academically. You got into Ardennes.
Yeah.
And Ardennes, the most influential of all the schools, or what?
Everything play a big part in my journey still, but me when I say Arden was when I really zoom in on music, you know, and say, oh, this is what I want to do, you know, because I was alkaline even from high school, you know. Arden.
You were alkaline.
Right.
From Arden.
Yeah, becoming, you know.
Oh.
Yeah.
How did that name emerge, or you know?
It's quite about it, but I mean, and I come up with a name, you know. Yeah, the sister came. You know?
Viewers, listeners, he whispered, you know, the sister may always quarrel about it.
Yeah, true. I mean, and I come up with a name there. Me and Kim come up with a name there.
Mm-hmm.
Because we have some different idea. I'm gonna say, she say, yeah, but she don't want to say, she give me the name still, but.
That's not she.
I think of me.
So Alkaline started from Arden.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, man.
And was that the moment you discovered that really this was you wanted to get into music?
Yeah, most definitely. Because
tell me how that evolved.
Well, it started from when I go to the one day with my brethren, Spade. Cause him be like a voice of song, so it's just like, I just go with him. And I just like the thing, and I just never stop go. You know, just be the tune and.
You remember what form you were in, what grade you were in at that time?
Probably second form.
Second form?
Yeah, that's about 8th grade.
Yeah.
Yeah, and I'm sure all most at the time.
Yeah.
But from them time, when I go studio and never stop. Yeah.
So when did mommy know that you were going to studio?
Probably around that time.
You shared it with her?
Yeah, because I was also recording music videos at school.
Oh.
Yeah, and uploading it on the internet, you know?
Oh.
Yeah, so. Yeah, because at that time, the internet, the kind of kick off certain way, certain kind of social media platform, the kind of kick off, and that was our way of expressing ourselves, you know?
Yeah.
Getting our voice heard, you know?
Mm-hmm.
So we use that platform to kind of generate a fan base from even early as then.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, man. So even from them time, you know, people where say, yo,
what?
Yeah, the boss. You know what I mean? Yeah, the boss thing.
Mm-hmm.
You know what I mean? Even from them. Yeah, you know what I mean?
What did they see in you?
I'm not sure what them see, but you don't know, I guess. I just the determination and, you know what I mean? And the hunger and the love for the music, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. So that was from second form at Arden. You remember your principal at the time? No?
No, I remember.
You don't remember the principal. But after second form, you went on to do CXC at Arden.
Yeah.
How did you do at CXC?
Do my thing, man. Yeah, man.
Meaning?
Go on, good man, get my subject there, man.
How many?
How much subject I get?
You don't remember?
Well, all my subject I get, man. Yeah, I'm getting
So you got about 7 or 8?
Well, 6.
6?
Yeah.
But you did well enough so that you could get in later at UWI.
Yeah.
Tell me about the transition from Arden to UA.
Yeah, when I left Arden and reached at UA, at that point in time, just music one day, yeah? Just one bus.
But you got into Karamak.
Yeah.
And you started at Karamak? Did you actually start?
Yeah, I start.
And how was it?
It calm, it cool, but, you know what I mean? Music, my thing at that point in time, you know?
You weren't really interested in the Karamak work.
Yeah, it can go on, you know? Because you know, like what I said.
Yeah, it can go on.
It can go on.
All right, guys. So that was a short viewing of the Alkali interview. If you don't want to watch the interview, you can just go read the brother Prison Media watch a while ago, so you can get the full understanding of what he go on. So, guys, as I said, leave your comment under the video on your favorite song that was played in the top 10 dancehall countdown. Until next time again, people, peace out. Let's go. Boom.